Hey guys, how's it going? So I got a wee project for us. If you look closely, you can see a quad bike buried in there. I think it's a Suzuki. I've been told by the owner it hasn't been started in at least 10 years. So what we'll do first is we'll remove all this junk, or as much as we can, to get the bike out. See what kind of condition it's in and see if we can get it running. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's get a closer look at this thing. Hopefully it's not too damaged. Oh, everything that's on top of it. So we've got the majority of the stuff off it. It's definitely been here for a while, guys. But closer inspection, it doesn't look too bad. So it's a Quadrunner 250 Suzuki, by the looks of it. Don't know much about them, but I'm sure we'll learn. Let's just start moving all this stuff. See if I can get it out onto the grass there. Okay, so it's about 20 minutes later. Tell you what, that was a bit of a workout. Just got to get that gate open and move those barrels, and I should be able to fit it between there. So let's do it. Alright, just before I put it on the trailer, thought I'd give it a good look. So it's missing the battery, of course, so it'd be ruined anyway. And it looks like it's missing the cover or something. And another thing I noticed is the head here is extremely wet of oil, so yeah, we'll see once we get back. Front brake seems to be jammed. Couldn't move the front wheels. So that's another thing we're going to have to deal with. Yeah, we'll chuck it on the trailer, take it home, give it a wash, and we'll see what we can do.
There should be 200 or 300 kg.
Yeah, that's it.
She's on. She's on.
Whew.
Okay.
looking a little bit better now. Well, actually a lot better. What I might do now is just put a little bit of engine degreaser on this. It's looking pretty horrible. Be easier to work on if it's a bit cleaner. So we'll let this soak for a couple of minutes and then wash it off. Alright guys, so where do you want to begin? Maybe we should check the airbox to see if there's any mice or anything living in there, and maybe pump those tyres up. It's getting a bit dark now, so do a couple more things to it, leave it at that, and yeah. So we'll just take the seat back off. And it looks like the airbox is just there with Phillips or JIS. So we'll take this cover off and we'll check out that air filter first. Now, let's see how dirty this really is. You look at that. Now that's, oh wow, okay. So we need a new air filter. That's incredible, look at that guys. I better not mess with it too much, but it just falls apart as soon as you touch it. So at first I thought it looked good and clean, but it looks like we're going to need another air filter. But never mind, that's one thing on the list. Let's pump these tyres up. For the life of me, I couldn't find the bloody valve, so I'm just going to try pump the tyre up with this. I just want to see if these hold air. So let's give it a go with this. Okay, so it looks like they're holding air at the moment, but only time's going to tell. So what I think we'll do now, before we call it a night, we'll just try check this fuel tank, see what it looks like in there. We're probably going to have to look at the carburetor too, but let's get a light in there. We'll check this gas tank. Hopefully we can make this work. You see anything, guys? Hey, that's not too bad, is it? That's some funny coloured fuel though. But it's not too dirty. I'm going to call that pretty good. Could definitely be worse, that's for sure. Alright, so I think we'll call it a night. And I've got to get tidying this garage up again. But for the next video I think we'll have a look at the float bowl and get a battery connected to it, see if we can fire it up. Let's see what else it needs too. So hopefully on the next episode we get it started, but we'll see what happens. So thanks for watching guys, till next time, catch you later.